Hi, this is Gajan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today we are going to discuss topic about education. First, I would like to tell concept education. Education is biggest weapon to all. Education is based in all human life. Uh, I am really proud of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. He brought education of India. He went America. He learned so many degree, and he came back to India and he learned all in our society. That's why we can learn now anything. I mean to say that there are two type of education. First is online education and second is offline education. But I get to know very well about offline education. I mean to say that when we attend offline section, offline education, it's really good for us. Offline education, we can ask our teacher, friend, and our uh, uh, in teacher. That's education is good for us because that we get to know our weakness. We can work our weakness and we can get ahead in life is quickly. That's why offline education is really good for us. And there are two type of book available. First is hard book and second is pdf book. But I know very well about in hard book. Hard book, I mean this kind of book. Nowadays, like so many student has hard book. They can read a book, and when we read hard book, we get to knowledge quickly. We I mean to say that we no need to face we no need to face any problem in hard book. That's why hard book is really important. And when we learn like something, we have to use like some step like listening, speaking, reading, writing. And there are four step is really important. Without that four step we can't learn. And nowadays everybody has internet. We get knowledge is quickly. Everybody has on Android mobile, and through the net we can learn anything. Like so many students have PC, mobile, tab. They can learn now easily. That's why education is really important. Education people has to smart work. He no need to worry about that. And education is really important to all human being. I mean, when we learn, we are survive. When we are not learn, we are damaged. Now, I would like, I want to say that education people can become a like police, army, soldier, PSI, doctor, advocate, teacher, mentor, and professor, and so on. Education people get respect in society. He get prestige in anywhere. That's why, and education people seems aware of anything. That's why education is like really important. Education people can become a healthy, like physically, mentally, psychologically, and so on. That's why education is really important. Now I would like take cons of education. Like I mean to say that without education, people like it's unthinkable. People can't do anything in life. That's why education is we must learn. Now I mean to say that there are two type of education. First is offline education and second is online education. When we learn online education, that's we didn't get knowledge quickly. That's why online education is not really good for us. I mean to say that there are many peasant in our India. Like so many student has no mobile. They can't attend section online session. That's why offline education is not good for us as per my recon. And now there are two type of book, some PDF book and hard book. PDF book is available in mobile, PC. Nowadays so many student has no mobile, PC, and uh, I mean to say that we are living rural area. We are facing now issue in light. We don't have light. That's why we have to face some problem. That's why PDF book is not good for us. I mean to say that which people is not learning. They have to work hour and hour. They have to work like so many season. I mean to say that our India is agriculture country, and so many people work in agriculture sector. They have to work 3 season, and they have to face many problem. They didn't get money on time. That's why and education people has to hard work. That's why I mean to say that our India, like most of the so many students, they are addicted in social media, and people and so many students, they are using social media, they are not focusing on the education, they are not doing good study. And that's why education, we must learn, we must read a book, we must listening some in our uh, uh, in that's really good for us. And without education, we can't get ahead in life, we can't do anything in life. That's why education is really good for us. Last I mean to say that uh, uh, education is we have so many books, we can read a book and we get to knowledge quickly. And I request to so many people, they must learn any child, and then he can achieve something in life. That's last I would like to say. Thank all of you, and I am hoping all guys is I am hoping all guys uh, I am hoping all guys liked my video. Please, if you liked my video, please subscribe in my channel. I will remain thankful to all guys. Okay.